Pre-header menu options. So the pre-header is what you see at the top of the page, and the pre-header has a lot of different options to create a different layout for any type of web build. So let's get into it a little bit. Right now it's visible, and it's also fixed, meaning it stays put at the top of the page. We can create it to be scrolling if we want to here by checking the scroll position. Save our changes. And you'll see now that it scrolls with the page. Let's say we didn't want to have the pre-header at all. We can hide it, as you can imagine. Now it's not there. So let's get into a few more of the detailed options that we have. Right now, the layout has the menu on the left. Let's change the menu to be on the right. So now, as you can see, the menu went to the right, and the content that we had now that was on the right is now on the left. We can also do something along the lines of doing plain text content. This is great for a website that wants to do some type of advertising or do a special offer at the top of the page. You can see here, this can be set up as a link. Currently it's not a link. Easy to do that, and I'll show you. There's a lot of the pre-header options here. As you'll see through theme options a lot across the board. We can do this as a plain text pre-header content. Write whatever you want there, and then you can add your target URL. And you can also display this on a mobile device. However, it defaults that it's not displayed on a mobile device, as it would take up a little bit extra real estate there. But if you wanted to show it on a mobile device, you click show and save. So we're going to put this back menu on the left like it was in the beginning. You can also change the height. We can hide the icon link, so let's do that right now. We're going to change that. As you remember before in the original, we had it set up where there was icons here. What's nice is when you want to go in and configure the icons you want to use, you come in using the Font Awesome icon set. So you have well over 200 different icons that are fully CSS, that aren't images, that will scale or perfectly retina ready. And you can dictate which ones you want to see in that format. Also, you can tell it, I want it to be X number of pixels big, and also the padding between those. So the way that you would add one of these is just click on Add New, title it, include the icon code, which all the icon codes are right here to select which icon you want to see. Have the link URL, and if you want the link to open in a different window or the same tab or a different tab, and also you can change the alt text for that. So let's go back over the pre-header options. We can also change the layout. I'm going to show the icon links here just to demonstrate real quick. Put those back so you can see. Now they're there. And if we come in here and wanted to change, let's say we didn't want the WooCommerce cart to be there like it was. Let's put the site name. And the second one we'll do, just to show you, we'll do a logo. You can change the layout there. This logo is going to be taken from the other theme options. So the logo is added over here. As you can see, the site name is added right here. And we can come back in and say, oh, I don't want that. I really want to put that WooCommerce cart back. And I like the search bar there. So save those changes, as you can see. Easy to do. If you don't want the search, all you have to do is not select it to be one of those options, and that search will go away. Everything that you see in the pre-header, and as you see in every element of the theme, is totally controlled via the theme options. All of the color schemes, everything that you want to alter are here. So we can do the pre-header font size. This is small, medium, and large. Let's just do extra large so you can kind of see what that looks like. It makes the text a lot bigger. Might come in handy. And let's put this back to the default. And then you can see here, like I was describing, all of the color options, the pre-header background options, and then just a ton of different color concepts. Also, if you don't want there to be an active or link hover state, then you can select hide so that the backgrounds are not there, and select your shadow underneath. And then if you want to do that 1 pixel border here, as you see, let's refresh. Well, I'm gonna save that. As you see, that 1 pixel line and then the shadowing. All of the elements that are visual are editable within the theme options.